Hey, today I'll show you a clip about, I don't know. What do you think? Dare. Now, this is the starting. My first dare, you would think, nah, that's stupid, man. It's so gay. What the fuck is he doing that for? Well, this is my first dare, so just watch me. First of all, pick up the toilet, take the toilet paper out. Here, see, toilet paper. I drop it, and I'm gonna pick it up. Next dare, I don't know what it's gonna be, but you have to vote on it, okay? So, now I'm gonna pick it up. Watch. There it is. The toilet paper. I dig in. Whoa. Did I touch it? No, I didn't. So, just watch me. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got it out. And now you know what? What should I do? Well, that's your decision. So, goodbye. Turn off.